All right, Ocean Beach, California on a Monday. Let's just check it out, see what's going on out here. This is Newport, which is basically the main strip in Ocean Beach, California, San Diego County. They got a lot of bars here and tourist stuff, ice cream, waffles, cones. That place is good. This place here is called South Beach. They have the best fish tacos around, so definitely recommend checking it out. This Ocean Beach Hotel, awesome place. You might want to get a room there for like the Christmas parade or the Ocean Beach Street Fair, those sorts of things. Pretty fun. Right here by the ocean and the boardwalk, the pier. The Ocean Beach Hotel also has a live streaming camera from the top. You can go to their website and you can always see the ocean. And actually there it is right up there. So here we go. We do have a little bit of a hippie vibe in this particular beach. A lot of different homeless people and different problems. We got surfers going on and a pier over here. It's a nice day. Public parking lot here. This is all free parking on the weekend, and other days it can be a little bit of a challenge trying to find a parking spot. Just south of the pier here we have Sunset Cliffs. It's a beautiful place and absolutely gorgeous. Not as easy to access the water and not as much sand. It's mainly rocky, so a different situation once you go over there. We'll head up on the pier and take a look at it from there. Have some families and everything having a good time. Surfers. It's good stuff. A lot of people just come down, park their cars here and look at the water, have their lunch, relax, do some people watching, watch the surfers, whatever. It's a good time. This is also the fishing pier is what it's called technically, the Ocean Beach Fishing Pier. And it's legal to fish on this pier without a license. You do, however, have to follow the regulations regarding size and amount of fish you can keep, etc. So possession limits. So here we are directly under the pier. A lot of people enjoy coming down here, taking pictures while they're standing under it. This happens to be the longest concrete pier on the west coast, and we'll go ahead and take a walk up, take a look. So we have a stairway that goes up. And these gates, they sometimes close if the waves are coming up over the pier, which does happen. I'll show you, actually, they had to repair the fence because the waves were coming up over the pier and damaged the pier, so they had to close it for a while. I have families down here playing on the rocks. Surfers. See? Catch it. Yeah, bro. Not bad, not bad at all. Surfer dude. Go chilling. It's really slow here right now on the weekends and evenings. This pier definitely has many more people. Sorry, I was way zoomed in there. So, Ocean Beach, California. So like I said, there's Newport where we were walking from. The Ocean Beach Hotel. lifeguard station. And over here at the north end of Ocean Beach is Dog Beach, and you can bring your dog, let him off the leash and play with other dogs, go in the ocean, etc. It's awesome, awesome stuff. All right, here we go. Longest pier on the west coast of the United States of America. Water doesn't look too clean today. It's kind of choppy and a lot of seaweed floating around in it. Not too bad over here. And then this is what I was talking about on the Sunset Cliffs edge. Always have people enjoying themselves, watching the surfers. What do you think? We should go all the way to the end of the pier? I've heard that all the way at the end of the pier and to the left, they have good success for catching shark. And a lot of guys will go fish there and have big gaffs and chains and everything to bring them up. I've never seen it happen yet, but I've seen some pictures, and it must be pretty amazing to see like a 8-foot shark coming up 25 feet over the water level, getting pulled up on the pier. It's kind of nice today. We have a lot of women surfers, so that's good news. There's some pigeons. Alright, here we go. See if these guys catch a wave. Maybe. Nah, he's not feeling it. Here comes another set. What do you think? It's kind of a weird nose on a surfboard, huh? A funky shape. Let's see if he can catch one. Here comes another guy. I guess this is the rough life, huh? Enjoying the surf action. Let's see if we catch these guys. Hopefully we'll get one taken off, but not really very good waves coming yet. These guys will go under the pier sometimes. That's pretty cool. See ya, bros. Surfer bros. Okay, I think this looks like a catchable wave. Let's see. But he thinks, nah, they don't want to be on camera. They're shy. They're shy. And the waves aren't that good either. Well, I think that's about enough here. Take a look at the water patterns. All right. Peace out from Ocean Beach, California.